Hi, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the brand new update on XRP. And you're watching Moon 333. In my previous video, we have discussed that the XRP, the price action of XRP, was moving in a falling wedge, and this was my previous article. And here we can see at that time the price action was hitting at the support of the Bollinger Band and also at the support of this falling wedge as well. And price action was likely to take the bounce from this support. At that time, the first green Heikin candlestick was appeared, and now finally today on live chart, we can see on this day chart, the price action it has taken successfully a bounce, and so far it has surged around more than 70%. And this spike was from 17.6 cents, and it has uh, given a bullish spike up to more than 28 cents, near very close to the 29 cents. And here we have a point of control at 31 cents. I have also placed a volume profile on this complete on the complete price action of this falling wedge on XRP price action. This is a very important indicator which shows us where the traders are interested to trade and where they are not interested to trade. And after that, after placing this volume profile from here up to here on the complete price action of this falling wedge, we can see that the traders are interested to trade between this area from uh, almost from 28 cents up to almost up to 49 cents. So here we are now in the area. The price action is now entering in the area where the traders are interested to trade. Here we can see at this area, at the support of this falling wedge, the traders' interest was very low. Therefore, the price action took the bounce from here, and now it is entering in the area where the traders are interested to trade. And here we have a point of control at 31 cents, and this is our key level resistance as well for the price action of XRP, as we have discussed earlier in the previous video. I'll also elaborate this resistance level in this video later. So now there are strong chances that the price action will hit at this POC level of this volume profile, and after that it can move up to hit the resistance of this falling wedge, and maybe it will have there will be a breakout from this resistance. But before that, we have to see some other indications and some other chart patterns what we have received from the price action of XRP, which can convince us to understand whether this time the price action will break out the resistance or not. Because we have almost two attempts to have a breakout from the resistance, but so far since September 2018, this resistance level is not broken out, and now this will be this will be a third attempt to have a breakout from the resistance. But before that, there is a very strong key resistance level at 31 cents, which is really very difficult for the price action to break to break out, which is not broken out since September 2019. If we see some oscillators in indicators, then we can see that in previous video we have seen that on week chart, the oscillators, if we see the MACD, if we see the stochastic, it had just given the bull cross from the oversold zone at that time when I posted my video and this chart on January 12th. And now if we see on the current date, on week chart, it has reached almost at half of the body of the stochastic, and the RSI was also almost in the oversold zone. At that time, it was turning bullish after visiting the oversold zone, and at this time, it has also reached more than or almost at the half of the stochastic. At this time, the value, when I will place the cursor here, you can see the exact value here at this area. And now you can see the exact value is 52.2. That is more than half. It has reached more than half of the body of the RSI, and it is very, very strong bullish. And if we see the moving average convergence divergence, then previously the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, on week chart was turning bullish. It was strong bearish, and it was turned weak bearish from strong bearish. But at this time, if we see on week chart, the MACD has given strong bullish signals. It has even given the bull cross, and it has also turned, the histogram of the MACD is also turned strong bullish. And even up to 2 week chart, we can see the MACD is turned strong bullish with the bull cross. And now let's move to some other indicators, like in directional movements. We can see that we have received on this week chart, on this long-term week chart, we have received bullish signals. And the momentum on this week chart is also being shifted from bearish to bullish. Here we can see it was strong bearish here up to October 2019, and since October, after 14 October 2019, the momentum is being shifted to the bulls, and you can see the bars, the weak bearish bars are getting squeezed, and maybe the next bar will be turned strong bullish, and it will be appeared green like this. And if we see this the chop zones, then since July 2019, the chop zone was turned very, very strong bearish, and now finally here in Feb 2020, in the starting of the Feb 2020, it is turned weak bearish from strong bearish. When last time it was turned bullish from bearish, it was surged more than 80%, and at that time the price action hit the price level of 51 cents at that time in June 2017. Now let's see where the price action will go, but it is turning bullish, and so far it has surged, you can see, from 17.6 cents up to 28.793 cents at this time. And if we see the moving averages, first we were just watching these exponential moving averages. This is the EMA 10 and EMA 20. This red one is the exponential moving average with the time period of 20. And this blue one is the exponential moving average with the time period of 10. So after this bear cross between these two moving averages since July 2019, the candlesticks also crossed down the moving averages, and since then the candlesticks was not able to cross up the moving averages. And once we have seen the attempt by the candlesticks to cross up the moving averages in October 2019, but at that time we did not receive a proper bull cross between the moving averages. Therefore, this attempt was failed, and the candlesticks was again dropped down, and they have given us the recent low from, and this low is the lowest point from January 2018 up to December 2019. So far, this is the lowest point. It's 17.6 cents. This is the lowest price we have seen since January 2018. And after hitting this point, we can see that the exponential moving average, or EMA 10, turned bullish again, and it has formed a proper bull cross on this 4-day chart. This is very important that we are watching this 4-day chart, and bull cross on 4-day chart between these two moving averages is very, very strong bullish signal. And here I'm just zooming in the chart, and you can see this is a proper and very clear bull cross, and the candlesticks. This would be the second candlestick that will be closed above these moving averages, and this was the decision maker candle. This which was appeared on the 2nd Feb, and this candlestick was proper closed above these two moving averages and confirmed us that now we have an uptrend. Now the trend is being changed from the down to the uptrend after hitting this lowest point of 17.6 cents. And if we see the simple moving averages are also making very good move on day chart. Uh, you can see that the 25 moving average, this blue one is the 25 moving average, this green one is the 50 moving average, this red one is the 100 moving average, and this black one is the 200 moving average. These are the simple moving averages. So far, the price action has crossed up all these moving averages, which is a very strong signal on the day chart. And the 25 moving average has formed a golden cross or bull cross with the 50 moving average and also crossed up the 100 moving average as well. And soon it will cross up the 200 moving very soon. And behind 25 moving average, we can see that 50 moving average is also turning up, and soon it will form a golden cross between 150 moving average, and after that, the 50 moving average can form a golden cross or bull cross with the 200 moving average, which is the most favored bull cross or golden cross among the traders community. The golden cross between 50 moving average and 200 moving average is the real golden cross and most favorite golden cross for the traders, professional traders on the day chart. And once this golden cross will be formed, then we can see a very, very powerful bullish rally or bull move by the price action of the XRP. Last time, and this is called an alligator mouth, when we will have a 200 moving average will be below all these moving averages and above 200 moving average. We'll have the 100 moving average, then 50 and 25 moving average will be above all, like here we have. Then it is called an alligator's open mouth, and this is a really very strong bullish signal on day chart. Once we had here in June 2019, in June 2019, and a proper alligator's mouth was open, and here we can see the price action went up to 51 cents in June 2019. And after that, when the alligator's mouth was closed, then the price action hit the lowest point of the XRP since January 2018. This is the lowest point since January. That is 17.6 cent. So the movement so far, this movement is very optimistic and likely to make the same move like it has made here in June 2019. So I'm expecting the same move will be formed very soon. And this is also a very healthy move that price action crossed up the 50 moving average, and after that there was some correction move, and after that the price action moved up again. And here we can see another pullback is likely to be made by the price action of XRP, and it can again take the bounce from the 200 moving average, and after that it will move up. And this is really on 2-day chart. I've seen a very strong signal is being appeared by the Ichimoku cloud. This is very much important indicator. The Japanese took almost 30 years to develop this indicator, so we should use this indicator in our every trade. That is very much important. So here we can see this is the lagging span. The lagging span has turned very strong bullish, and it has crossed up the price action, and soon it will cross up this cloud as well. So far it is entered in the cloud. Once it will be crossed up this cloud of the Ichimoku cloud, then it will turn very, very strong bullish. And the price action has also crossed up the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud. It is also a very strong signal. This is the 2-day chart, and up to 2-day chart we have received these two signals. And the third signal is that conversion line has crossed up the baseline. So here we have another bull signal, and the last signal which is remaining, and we didn't receive that signal so far, and that is the turning of the cloud. The cloud is not turned bullish, but it is quite squeezed now, and soon it will be turned bullish from red to green. You can see there is a very weak cloud, weak bearish cloud, and soon it will be turned in green and bullish cloud. Then we will have a very strong support of the bullish cloud below these candlesticks, and it will be very difficult for the candlestick to cross down this cloud once it will be turned bullish, because we have the candlesticks has already crossed up this cloud, and the lagging span is also crossing up the cloud as well. And finally, we have received a bullish continuation trend pattern here. This pattern is the bullish continuation signal. It is a very strong signal that gives us an indication that the bullish trend will be continued. Uh, Here you can see a very soft wave down and very soft wave up is forming a cup and handle formation. As much we have also already discussed in the Bitcoin video. I've told you that as much this shape will be soft and round shape. There are no hard corner. There is no V shape. As much it will be soft and round shape, as much there will be confirmation in the pattern. The cup and handle formation will be confirmed. So far it is quite soft and round shape. It's moving in very soft and round shape. So there are more chances that it will form a complete cup and handle formation. The resistance of the cup is same as the resistance which we have discussed earlier in my previous video. That is our key level resistance, and that is 31 cents. This is also the resistance of this cup. Once it will hit at this resistance level or come close to the resistance level, then we can expect a small pullback from this resistance level, and it can form a down channel or pennant or flag, whatever it will choose. And after that there will be some zigzag move or a sideways move, and after that it will take a bullish divergence. And after taking the bullish divergence, there are strong chances that the price action will break out the resistance of the cup. Once we will have a breakout from this resistance level, because this is the key level resistance for the XRP, because this is not broken since September 2018. Uh, since September 2019, it is not broken out since September 2019. You can see 1, 2, 3. There are 3 attempts by the price action of XRP, but so far it is not broken. So this is a very strong and key level resistance for the price action. Once it will be broken out, the price action can turn a very, very strong bullish, and after that we can see that after breaking out this resistance level and this POC of this volume profile as well, we can also witness the breakout from the resistance of this falling wedge as well. So far these were the update from the XRP. The conclusion is that we can expect that there can be a minor pullback which can lead to the formation of the handle of the cup, and after that finally uh, we can see or witness a massive breakout which can also lead the breakout from the resistance of this falling wedge. Hope you all like the video. Do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe it so far. Take care. Goodbye.